So today is Memorial Day, a day we remember and reflect on those we lost, those we love, reflect on how good they was in our lives, our memories. A lot of people going to visit the graves and cleaning off the graves, put new flowers or put new tombstones or going to visit their loved ones. I don't have the opportunity to do that at the moment, but I will, just not today. But I do want to salute those who are honoring their loved ones, who they have lost. We all have someone we lost that was very, very valuable to us. So most definitely, I understand that. Um, I was just thinking about my mom, one of the fallen soldiers who put me on the path that I'm on. And sometimes you'll get sidetracked with life and the direction things tend to go at times, and you have to refocus. In days like today is a day that allows you to be thankful, but to reflect and to remember and use those thoughts, those moments as fuel, as energy, as motivation to get you over the hump or take you to the next level in your life. So don't be down today about losing someone, because we have to realize that none of us are meant to stay here. We're just passing through. So let's just honor them today and take care of what we need to take care of so where we can be better examples or be an example like they was and pass things down. Hold on.